Hi students, this is Sivakumar, 12th standard business mathematics and statistics, chapter number 3, continuation of exercise 3.2. Now problem number 13. You are given marginal revenue. You are asked to find the demand function. Marginal revenue is given. MR can be replaced by dr by dx, that is equal to 20 into e power minus x by 10 into 1 minus x by 10. Then dr equals 20 into e power minus x by 10 into 1 minus x by 10 into dx. Cross multiply. Now variables are separated, can integrate. Integral dr equals 20 is the constant right outside the integral, then e power minus x by 10 into 1 minus x by 10 dx. How to integrate this one? It is an exponential function. This one is an algebraic function, algebraic or arithmetic. The combination of exponential and algebraic, you can go for ILATE. Do you remember? Already have learnt in that previous exercise. Exponential, here it is. Arithmetic, here it is. Which one comes first? Arithmetic. So arithmetic should be considered as u. The remaining part should be considered as dv. So u, that is equal to, let it be number 1. Okay, I consider u, that is equal to arithmetic. Which one is arithmetic? 1 minus x by 10. And dv, that is equal to e power minus x by 10 into dx. We have to differentiate with respect to x, integrating on both sides. This one has to be differentiated, this one has to be integrated. You know, u with respect to x, that is du by dx, that is equal to differentiation of constant is 0 minus constant when it is in denominator, right, as it is, you just differentiate x. X with respect to x is 1. So what is the answer? Minus 1 by 10. This is du by dx. We need du only, so we have to cross multiply. Minus 1 by 10 into dx. Now integrate on both sides. Integral dv, that is equal to integral e power minus x by 10 or minus 1 by 10x, same only, dx. Integral dv, that is equal to v. E power anything, we know that e power ax dx integration 1 by a into e power ax. What is a? A is the coefficient of x. Here the a value is minus 1 by 10. Remember, 1 by a. What is a? Minus 1 by 10 e power ax. So e power minus 1 by 10 x. Integration is over. V, that is equal to plus divide by minus minus 1 by 10. When it comes to the numerator, you have to write the reciprocal. 1 by 10 reciprocal is 10 e power minus 1 by 10 x. V, du and u. These three only to be applied in that integration by parts. I write the formula, integration by parts. IBP means integration by parts. Formula, integral udv equals uv minus integral vdu. This is the formula. Okay. Therefore, equation 1 implies, please listen, in equation number 1, left hand side very easy, integral dr, that is equal to, or you can directly write, that is equal to 20, write as it is. Here you have to apply that IBP formula. What form it is? udv. Formula here it is uv minus u, here it is, what is u? 1 minus x by 10. 1 minus x by 10 into v. V here it is minus 10 into e power minus 1 by 10 into x. Minus 10 into e power minus 1 by 10 into x. uv over minus integral v du. V here it is minus 10 into e power minus 1 by 10 into x. Minus 10 into e power minus 1 by 10 into x into du. Du here it is minus 1 by 10 into dx. Minus 1 by 10 into dx. Then r equals 20 integral 1 minus x by 10 into minus 10 into e power minus 1 by 10 into x. 10 get cancelled. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus integral e power minus 1 by 10 into x dx. R equals 20 into 1 minus x by 10 into minus 10 into e power minus 1 by 10 into x as it is. Have to integrate this one. We have to apply the same formula. Here it is 1 by a into e power ax. Come on. 1 by a. A is a coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? Minus 1 by 10 into e power minus 1 by 10 into x. Once the integration is over, you have to introduce the constant k. R equals 20 into 1 minus x by 10 into minus 10 into e power minus 1 by 10 into x. Minus minus get cancelled, plus 1 by 10 comes to numerator 10 into e power minus 1 by 10 into x plus k. Right? Now between these two common, here 10, here also 10. E power minus 1 by 10 into x, that is also common. So take first r equals 20 into 10 into e power minus 1 by 10 into x common. Listen, 10 into e power minus 1 by 10x common. So what will be here? 1 minus x by 10 into minus 1. Since we have taken this one is common, what will be here? 1, here minus or minus 1. 1 minus x by 10 into minus 1 plus the entire expression I have already taken common. So what will be there? 1. So plus 1 plus k. That is equal to 20 into 10 into e power minus 1 by 10 into x into, close the bracket, okay, 1 into minus 1 plus minus into minus plus x by 10 plus 1 plus k. Minus 1 plus 1 cancelled. That is equal to 20 into 10, that is equal to 200 into e power minus 1 by 10 into x. These two get cancelled. Which one is left out? X by 10 plus k. 10 how many times? 20 times. So 20 into x, 20x into e power minus 1 by 10 into x, that is r plus k. So revenue in terms of x, have to introduce x over here. So let it be number 2. Already I have taken 1. This is number 2. Now we have to find out the value of k. For finding the value of k, no such condition is given in this problem. So we can, as usual, you can consider r of x equal to 0 when x equal to 0. When x equal to 0, r of x, that is equal to 0. Therefore, equation 2 implies substitute r of x equal to 0 and replace x equal to 0. 20 into 0, 0. 0 into anything is 0 plus k. Therefore, k equals 0. Therefore, equation 2 implies r of x that is equal to 20x into e power minus 1 by 10 into x plus k. What is the value of k? 0. Just write k equal to 0. We got the revenue. We are asked to find out the demand function. Therefore, demand function P that is equal to r of x by x. Here is r of x. What is r of x? 20x into e power minus 1 by 10 into x by x. X get cancelled. So what is the answer? 20 into e power minus 1 by 10 into x. That is P. So P in terms of x, that is called demand function. So problem number 13 is over. I'll be teaching problem number next problem in the next video. Thank you, children.